In this guide, I'll show you how to use the internet browser on PS4. So the first thing you want to do is scroll over and select Library, and then you want to go to Search in the top left corner and begin typing in Internet, and you'll see the internet browser appear below. So press R2 on your controller and select Internet Browser, and then you want to press Start. Now by default, this is going to bring you to PlayStation.com, so why don't we make this full screen first by pressing Square on the controller. Now you want to press triangle on your controller to open up the search, and you want to type in whatever. I'm going to type in Google in this example. And once you've done that, press R2 on your controller to search this option. Now, once you get to the page you want to get to, what I recommend you do is to adjust the screen size. Now to do this, to zoom in, you want to press R3 to make it bigger, and if you want to make it smaller, press L3. Now in addition to that, if you press the Start or Options button on your controller, you'll have the option to go backwards or forwards, as well as closing the window when you're done with it, and you can also clear the browsing history here if you'd like. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.